Welcome. Today, in continuity of the previous sessions about Vedic systems as transcendental content flow streams, we are focusing upon the central value as that the Vedic systems chase eternity as 1000 streams flow. Focus is upon 1000 streams. The value 1000 means Sahastra, and Sahastra word formulation leads to TC value 23, and same is parallel with formulation Anant, eternity. The eternity as word formulation Anant is of TC value 23, and same is also the TC value of formulation Sahastra 1000. Sadhakas are fulfilled with intensity of urge to be parallel with Vedic systems shall sit comfortably and to permit the transcending mind to glimpse this comprehension of Vedic systems and this feature of the Vedic systems as that eternity is being permitting its chase as 1000 streams. As a prior exercise, one shall reach at different word formulations like Anand of TC value 23. There will be as many as 2 raised to power 22 number of word formulations of TC value 23. And value 22 is the summation value of 4 folds of hypercube 6, the representative regular body of 6 space. As such, the format hypercube 6 being the format of 6 space, that is of the sun as well as the human body. So these features on the face of it are giving us confidence as that the Vedic systems comprehension and chase as 1000 streams is a very, very blissful comprehension. First exercise in this direction will be that one shall reach at formulations of TC value 23. 85 of them are tabulated, and this tabulation is on the computer screen. It will be very blissful to be through these formulations and to see how blissful and how rich is this range and this domain. This way, let me put it more specific as that Vedic system chase eternity as 1000 streams flow. These 1000 streams flow is 1000 branches formats of Samveda. These are 1000 formats, and these manifest Som, the transcendental content, and the formulation Som is of transcendental code value 20. Value 20 is the summation value of synthesis of single, double, triple, and quadruple dimensions of same order for all orders. Value 20 is the TC value of Ved as well as of Dev. Therefore, sadhakas are fulfilled with intensity of virtue to be parallel with Vedic systems shall sit comfortably and to permit the transcending mind to continuously remain in prolonged sitting of trance and to imbibe the same. Let me repeat. Vedic systems chase eternity as 1,000 streams flow. These 1,000 streams flow is 1,000 branches formats of Samved. These 1,000 formats manifest Som of the transcendental code value 20. The value 20 is the summation value of synthesis of single, double, triple, and quadruple dimensions of same order for all orders. Value 20 is the TC value of Ved as well as of Dev. Sadhakas are fulfilled with the intensity of virtue to be parallel with Vedic systems shall sit comfortably and to permit the transcending mind to continuously remain in prolonged sitting of trance and to imbibe these values. With it, we shall take up another exercise, and this exercise is the exercise of reaching at the table of factors of numbers 1 to 1,000. The modern mathematics as such has not been in a position to comprehend this rich mathematical domains of whole numbers. How the whole numbers are having their internal structures in terms of their factors, and when these factors are chased as the factors of the ranges of numbers, then the same provide us eternal content, transcendental content as eternity phenomenon, and sadhakas are fulfilled with intensity of virtue to be parallel with Vedic systems shall take that once one will be parallel with these internal structures of whole numbers ranges, then one will be in a mental state and one will be potentialized intellectually to approach the existence phenomenon of our solar universe along the artifices of numbers. The central thread of Vedic systems is that the artifices of numbers are stitching the transcendental content flow path. Therefore, unless and until we are parallel with the way the transcendental content flow path stands structured, we may not be in a position to be parallel with the Vedic systems. Therefore, for those whose intensity is, whose urge is to be parallel with the way Vedic systems chase the structures of the flow formats of the transcendental content from orb of the sun for its reach up to the core of the earth, they shall take this exercise of tabulation of the factors of the numbers 1 to 1,000. Factors of numbers 1 to 1,000 deserve to be changed sequentially and step by step. The Moolank, the basic numbers are 1 to 10. Then we have to reach at 10 square and finally at 1,000. we know there are 9 branches of Atharvaved. There are 21 branches of Rigved. There are 101 branches of Yajurved, and there are 1000 branches of Samved. Therefore, sadhakas are fulfilled with intensity of virtue to be parallel with Vedic system shall sequentially chase the factors of the ranges of numbers, and this sequential chase, once is reached at, the same will be ensuring required initiation for to be parallel with Vedic systems. On the computer screen are the factors of numbers 1 to 100. These factors, as these are, were taken up specifically for their close observation in the previous session. Today, we are not stopping here, and we are presuming that we have already been in a position to having imbibing of the internal structural flow path of numbers 1 to 100. In continuity, we shall sequentially be through the factors of numbers 101 to 200, then 201 to 300, then 301 to 400, and like that, we will continue 401 to 500, 501 to 600, 601 to 700, 701 to 800, 801 to 900, and ultimately at 901 to 1000, and see the total numbers of the factors are going to be 2871. 28 is the number of Brahm, while 71 is the number of the solar sphere, solar universe. So sadhakas are fulfilled with the intensity of virtue. Once will be through these 1000 steps of sequential progression of the internal structure of the numbers in terms of the factors of the artifices 1 to 1000, one will be blissfully on the Vedic path. This is a very big range. This is the range which deserves proper, thorough, repeated attention for a prolonged period. In fact, each phase and stage is parallel with each phase and stage of a branch of a Samved. Therefore, this in a way is the ultimate reach. This is the beginning and this is the end reach. This range coverage is the full range coverage, the full course for being parallel with Vedic systems is going to be of phases and steps of these factors acceptance by the artifices of numbers 1 to 1000. With it, we can put to ourselves as to how the TC value 23 of the formulation Sahastra on the one hand and of the Anant on the other hand is in fact the structural key of the Vedic systems. Srimad Bhagavad Gita is the essence of Vedanta Trayi. Upanishads, Brahma Sutra, and Gita itself. And Upanishads are the essence of Vedas. Therefore, sadhakas are fulfilled with intensity of words shall accept it as that the number value 23, which is the TC value of formulation Shahastra, as well as of the formulation Anand, is the value which has been availed fully by the organization of the text of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. The text of Srimad Bhagavad Gita is of 700 shlokas, while its enlightenment is of 45 shlokas range as per the preservation of Gita Pranam Shloka of the Bhisham Parva of Urma Bharatam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita text, the popular text, the text as a complete scripture which we are accepting as an independent scripture, is in fact part of a bigger scripture, the Urma Bharatam. The enlightenment of Srimad Bhagavad Gita is of 745 shlokas. This text, as it is organized, is in fact availing 23 distinct shlokas ranges. On the computer screen is the tabulation of which column 1 gives serial numbers 1 to 23 and column 2 is tabulating the number of distinct shlokas ranges accepted for the organization of the text of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. The column 2 of the table is tabulating these shlokas ranges in an ascending order, beginning with 20 and reaching up till 80, or these 23 distinct shlokas ranges, and the present day tabulation of the elements bring us face to face with the characteristic feature as that these shlokas ranges as the features of the elements make it that these are 20 specific metals of our periodic table. Now, these 20 metals, as these are taking us to the sthapatya, the geometric formats. The point of specific attention for the sadhakas are fulfilled with intensity of energy is that the Vedic systems approach this organization in the present context of the periodic table in terms of the geometric formats. In column 4 of the table on the computer screen are enlisted the sthapatya, the geometric formats of these 23 metals, or these 23 ranges of shlokas of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. It will be very blissful to note that these sthapatya, the geometric formats of full units as well as half units, begin with hypercube 5.5 and reaches up till hypercube 20.5. Sadhakas are fulfilled with the intensity of urge to be parallel with Vedic systems, shall be parallel with these sthapatya organization features. And once we will be parallel with it, we will be parallel with the Vedic systems themselves. Thank you very much.